Hello, welcome all of you in Biology Pushkar, and I am Pankaj Kumar Sinha. In this video, we will discuss about ribosome. So let's start the topic. Ribosomes. So first of all, what is ribosome? Ribosomes are granular structure. Are granular structure first observed under ribosomes are granular structure and first observed under electron microscope by George Palade in 1953. Okay. Next, ribosomes are made up of RNA and protein and it is ribosomes are made up of RNA and protein and it is without membrane structure. It is without RNA and protein and surrounded by not any membrane. Okay, so here we see ribosomes are made up of RNA and protein and surrounded by not any membranous structure. That means ribosomes are without membranes. Okay, next, except mammalian RBC, all living cell contain ribosomes in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, now we are talking about some abbreviation related to ribosomes. ribosomes are a smallest cell cell organelle, and ribosomes are a smallest cell organelle and organelle without membrane. Okay, so these two things are very important regarding to competitive examination. Next, ribosomes are also called organelle within an organelle. Means what? Organelle within an organelle. Okay, so if we take rough endoplasmic reticulum, in the rough endoplasmic reticulum we will see also ribosome attached with the cisternae. Okay, and we have discussed already in rough endoplasmic reticulum or endoplasmic reticulum. So here organelle within an organelle. Next one, it is also called as protein factory of cell. Protein factory of cell means ribosome is the site of protein synthesis. Okay, next, types of ribosome. Types of ribosomes. Okay, now we are talking about types of ribosome. So there are of two types of ribosome. There are two types of ribosome. First one is eukaryotic ribosome, and it is 80s type of ribosome present in eukaryotic cells. Okay, in eukaryotic cell 80s type of ribosome present in cytoplasm. Okay, then second one is prokaryotic ribosome. Prokaryotic in the prokaryotic cells, in prokaryotic cells 70s type of ribosome present. 70s type of ribosome present or ribosome associate with plasma membrane of prokaryotes Okay, so here we talked about eukaryotic ribosome and prokaryotic ribosome. Basically, in eukaryotes 80S type of ribosome present and prokaryotes 70S type of ribosome present. Okay, so here 80S having two subunit, one larger subunit and smaller subunit. 80S having 60S and 40S smaller subunit. 60S is larger subunit and 40S a smaller subunit. Okay, next 70S having 50S larger subunit and 30S smaller subunit. Okay, next in prokaryotes 70S type of ribosome present, but 70S type of ribosome present in mitochondria and chloroplast. Mitochondria and chloroplast of eukaryotes. Okay, next now we are talking about dimer. What is dimer? So here first of all, attachment of or formation of ribosome. So magnesium 2 plus ion are magnesium 2 plus play a major role in attachment of ribosomal attachment of two subunit of ribosomes with ribosomal RNA. Okay, magnesium 2 plus play a major role in attachment of two subunit of ribosomes with ribosomal RNA. Okay, so here suppose it is ribosomal RNA and smaller subunit and it is larger subunit. So here magnesium 2 plus ion attached with the ribosomal RNA. Okay, and here ionic bond form between phosphate of ribosomal RNA. Okay, magnesium 2 plus ion form ionic bond. Okay, ionic bond with phosphate of 2 subunit. Okay, magnesium 2 plus ion form ionic bond with phosphate of 2 subunit. Okay, and attached with the ribosomal RNA. Clear? Next, if increase the concentration of magnesium 2 plus ion at 10 times, then dimer formed. Okay, so here magnesium 2 plus ion concentration will increase, the dimer formed. How much concentration increased? 10 times. Okay, so here next, suppose it is ATS, it is form 120S and it is dimer. Suppose 70S and form 100S, it is dimer. Okay, clear? Next, some important terms related to ribosome. So now we are discussing here polyribosome, polyribosome. At the time of protein synthesis, at the time of protein synthesis, ribosome many subunit of ribosome attached with messenger RNA and form polyribosome, or it is also called polysome. Okay, so here suppose it is messenger RNA. Okay, and this one smaller subunit, larger subunit, smaller subunit, larger subunit, smaller subunit, larger subunit, smaller subunit. Okay, so here form a structure and it is called polyribosome. Clear? Next, information. Polyribosome, peptidyl transferase enzyme. Peptidyl transferase enzyme. So what is role of peptidyl transferase enzyme? At the time of protein synthesis, peptidyl transferase enzyme helps in formation of peptide bond. So here suppose it is amino acid. Okay, amino acid. It is amino acid, and here joined with peptide bond, and it is peptide bond, and form polypeptide, means protein structure. Okay. Now we are talking about chemical composition of ribosome. First we take 70S type of ribosome. It is made up of, or its chemical composition, 60% ribosomal RNA and 40% protein. Okay. Next, ATS type of ribosome. It is its chemical composition, 40% ribosomal RNA and 60% protein. Okay. Next, subunit of 70S, we take subunit of 70S and ATS subunit. So here first 60S ribosomal RNA, 28S 5.8S and 5S. Okay. Next, 40S type of ribosome. 40S having chemical ribosomal RNA and ATS subunit. Okay. Next, 50S subunit, ribosomal RNA and 5s subunit. Okay, 5s, okay, sorry, 23s and 5s subunit present. Okay, next 30s having ribosomal RNA and 16s. Okay, so all chemical composition of smaller subunit, larger subunit and subunit ribosomes, 70s type of ribosome and 80s type of ribosome. Okay, now we are talking about functions of ribosome. Function of ribosome. Okay, so here first function is at the time of protein synthesis polyribosome formation. Second function, ribosome protect against protein digesting enzyme. Okay, so we have discussed some basic information and important information related to ribosome and functions of ribosome in this segment, and we will discuss next topic in the next video. Okay, thank you.